Hey there, aspiring entrepreneurs. Welcome to the ultimate guide on how to build financial projections for your business. I know what you're thinking. Not again numbers. But trust me, financial projections are like a roadmap for your business's success. They help you anticipate future financial performance, make informed decisions, and secure funding. To make this journey as smooth as possible, we're going to break it down into 5 simple steps. So grab a notebook, a pen, and let's dive in. Step 1. Know your numbers. Before you start projecting, you need to have a solid understanding of your current financial situation. This includes your revenue, expenses, and profits. Gather as much historical data as you can. It will serve as the foundation for your projections. Step 2. Forecast your revenue. The bread and butter of your business. To forecast your revenue, consider factors like historical sales data, industry trends, and marketing campaigns. Tools like Google Analytics and Sprout Social can help you track website traffic and social media engagement. This data will give you insights into your customer behavior and potential growth areas. Step 3. Estimate your expenses. Now, let's talk about the money that flows out of your business. You need to estimate expenses like rent, utilities, salaries, and marketing costs. Use your historical data as a guide and consider any potential changes in your operations. Cloud-based accounting software like QuickBooks and Xero can simplify expense tracking and provide valuable insights. Step 4. Create your income statement. An income statement summarizes your revenue and expenses over a specific period. It shows you how much money your business generates and how much it costs to operate. Use a spreadsheet or software to create an income statement. It's like a financial snapshot that tells you how your business is performing. Step 5. Use the power of projections. With your income statement in place, you can start projecting your future financial performance. Use your revenue and expense forecasts to create a projected income statement for the next month, quarter, or even year. This will help you anticipate cash flow, identify potential risks, and make informed decisions about your business. And there you have it. 5 simple steps to building financial projections for your business. Remember, these projections are not set in stone, but rather a tool to guide your decision-making. Update them regularly to reflect changes in your business and the market. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more expert advice on all things business.